So this is just a quick screencast on my computer's accessibility features. So in order to find that, you go down here, and this is just what I do, and I type in settings. Right here, I click on it. Then over here in the right corner, it's ease of access is what I'm going to go through. And so just a quick little overlook. On the left side, we have the different options: display, pointer size, magnifier, color filters, contrast, audio, keyboard, mouse, and things like that. And so I'm just going to go through a few of these to show how they can be used to help with people with disabilities use their devices easier. And so, okay. The first one is going to be display. And on this one, you can control the brightness of your computer screen like so, just by this. And by doing this, it helps those with visual impairments. So if there's like a glare in the classroom, you can turn the brightness down, or if someone has trouble seeing, you can turn the brightness up. And so that is a quick little thing you can do on here. The next one is cursor and pointer size. And to do this, you just make it bigger like so. So, for example, if you're using it over here on the left, as you can see, this is the size of your new cursor thickness. And this, again, helps with visual impairments so that they can actually see where the cursor is compared to this skinny line that's on the normal computers. You can also change the pointer size to small, medium, or large, and then the different colors. And this is just easier to see, this big, thick black one compared to the skinny white one. And so that can help with students who have trouble seeing. Then we have magnifier, which I think is pretty cool. And so you go here and you turn it on like so. And if you click the plus sign, it has this little magnifier so that it can zoom in closely. And this can help read small print. And it could also block out like ads and other things that students might be distracted by. And so this just helps keep their focus and also helps them see better. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that back off. Then we also have color filters. You just turn it on. So right now it's inverted, so its reverse colors are on display. But they also have grayscale and grayscale inverted. And they have other things like red, green, and blue, yellow. And these are just used to help with like if you're colorblind, or if you see better when it's like dark screen with white font compared to white screen with black font. And you can just go ahead and change it on the computer depending on what the student needs. Turn that off. Then they also have high contrast. Oh, there we go. And it is similar, so you can do hyperlinks, certain color, and things like that. And this also helps with visual impairments. So I'm going to turn that off. We have narrator that you could use, and this is for students who also have trouble seeing. You just turn it on.
Starting narrate settings window. Use narrator. On. Use narrator to read and interact with your device. Toggle switch.
And it's pretty cool because as you can see, it will actually read what is on the screen, what is clicked, and what it is currently in the setting. So you just click that on right there, and for example, here's another one.
Checked. Allow the shortcut key to start narrator checkbox. Unchecked.
And
checked.
Check it back up. So that's kind of cool.
Exiting narrator.
And that could be for students who also have visual impairments. We have audio, and right here you can turn the volume based on how loud or how quiet you want it. Some students have don't like it when things are really super loud and noise really bothers them, and then some people also have trouble hearing, so there's that. And then here's one more that I just want to show you really quick, and it's the keyboard. You just turn it on. And this can be used for those with like motor impairments and don't do well with the mouse. And so for me, I have a touch screen, and so you can go ahead and just click on the keyboard right there and there. And that's just a little bit about my computer. My computer has a whole bunch of other things, but I just wanted to give a quick little 5-minute tutorial to see how you can change the settings to help those with disabilities.